these little feathers, I'm using Eulalie brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn. It's about 1 millimeter and has like 4 threads. And I will use 1.5 millimeters hook. Remember, you can make these details using whatever yarn that you prefer, but depending on that yarn, maybe you need to select the correct hook, and also the size on your final result will be different. But you can use whatever yarn that you prefer and will be beautiful. This project is very easy and fast to make. I hope you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. Then starting with the slip knot and 15 chains. 1, 2, and you don't need to adjust the chains much. I'm already made 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's it. And starting on the chain number 2 from the hook, we will make 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, starting in the second chain from the hook, 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 more slip stitch on the next chain on the center. This will be the center on this piece, and this is the top, the center and top. Then 1 slip stitch on the chains, the next chain, and repeat the same one more time. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 2 slip stitch, starting on the second chain, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch more on the chains on the center. We already made 2, starting with 3 chains and 2 slip stitch. Now we will start with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, starting on the second chain from the hook, 3 slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 more slip stitch on the chain on the center. And repeat the same, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, starting on the second chain from the hook, 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch, and 1 more slip stitch on the center. We already made 2, starting with 4 chains and 3 slip stitch. Now starting with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the second chain from the hook, we will start 4 slip stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 slip stitch on the chain on the center. And we will repeat exactly the same like this one, starting with 5 chains and later 4 slip stitch, 8 times in total. This will be the last repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 4 chains. 1, 4 slip stitch. I'm sorry. 3 and 4. I'm so sorry for that. And 1 slip stitch on the last chain. I'm already made 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Starting with 5 chains and 4 slip stitch. Now I will make one more slip stitch, one more slip stitch on the same chain. Now we will take the another loop on the other side of the chain. Just for start to work on the another side. And now we will repeat almost the same, but this time starting for the bigger one. We will start with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and starting on the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and 4 slip stitch, and one more slip stitch. Now I will work on the base of the another slip stitch that we already made on the other side, in that hole there. You can take this loop, but I prefer on the same base. Then repeat exactly the same 7 times more, is 8 times in total, starting with 5 chains and 4 slip stitch. I'm already made 8. I'm already made 8, and now we will start with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on the second chain from the hook, 3 slip stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 slip stitch on the base. And we'll repeat the same one more time. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, starting on the second chain from the hook, 3 slip stitch, 1, 2, and 3, 1 slip stitch, and now starting with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and on the second chain from the hook we will start 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2, 1 more slip stitch on the center, and we will repeat the same one more time. 1, 2, 3 chains, and on the second chain from the hook, 2 slip stitch, 1 and 2 in the next chain, and 1 more slip stitch on the center. And that's it. We already finished all the details in edge in both sides, and now we will make the center. And for the center, just make 12 slip stitch. If you need maybe 13 or maybe 11, will be okay. Yeah? It's there where you need to insert the hook. In my case, with 12 will be enough, and after that I will cut the yarn and secure and hide it. I'm already made 2, and I will use this detail on the next project, big project on this channel. I hope you like it. Then I hope you like this video, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I'm really appreciated, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end, and see you on the next video. Bye!